Good evening, ma'am. The difference between criminal procedure and criminal law. Criminal procedure is a procedural law which regulates judicial steps for the prosecution and punishment of violators of criminal law, while criminal law is a substantive law that defines crime, treats nature, and provides for their punishment. The three nature of system. First is the inquisitorial system, refers to the detection and prosecution of the offender, not left to the initiative but to the law enforcement of the state. Second is the accusatorial system, refers to wherein accusation is falsely exercised by every citizen with injured party belongs. This involves filing of information. Third is mixed system, refers the combination of accusatorial and inquisitorial system. The prosecution may be initiated by the offended party or by the public prosecutor. The requirements of due process in criminal procedure: that the court or tribunal is trying the case is properly clothed with judicial power to hear and to determine the matter before it, that the accused is lawfully acquired by it over the person accused, that the accused is given an opportunity to be heard, and the judgment is rendered only upon lawful hearing.